Welcome back, Mr. Witness. You may kindly take your seat. Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, may I remind you once again that you are still under oath for continuation of your testimony before the Commission.
Yes,
Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you for us to proceed.
Mr. Jallow, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ma.
You're welcome back.
Thank you, Ma.
Council, can we please proceed?
Yes, thank you very much. Mr. Jallow, we were discussing the declaration of intent that you wrote with other councillors and signed in relation to your protest to not attend council meetings or any activity organized by Shirif Osongo as the chairperson then. You recall this in 2020?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I will just show you so that you confirm the correspondence.
Okay.
It is exhibit LGC/MJ bracket C/BKAC/003. Do you recall, or are you familiar with that document?
Yes, I did.
Can you turn to the signature column to see the councillors that signed that declaration of intent?
Yes.
Please read out the names.
Lamin Sanyang,
Yes.
Councillor for Sukuta Ward,
Correct.
Honorable Banse Bari, nominated Councillor, Honorable Aluke Dabo, Councillor for Kembuje Ward, Honorable Balamusa Dabo, Councillor for Kafuta Ward, Honorable Ismaila Jallow, that's myself.
Yes.
Councillor for Suba Ward, Honorable Mod Chare Giba, Councillor for Gunjur Ward, Honorable Omar Dabo, Farmers Rep, nominated Councillor, Honorable Lamin Diba, Councillor for Pira Ward, Honorable Usman Ba, Councillor for Jiboro Ward, Honorable Bouakar M. Kante, Councillor for Kato Ward, Honorable Suleiman Kinte, Councillor for Burfoot Ward, Honorable Mbemba Toure, Councillor for Lame Ward, Honorable Abi Bangura, Councillor for Banjulundi Ward, Honorable Sadio Sane, nominated member, representing vendors, Honorable Ansu B. Onyas, Councillor for Nyambai Ward, and Honorable Ablai Kamara, Councillor for Bigilo Ward.
Now let me have the document.
Sorry, Council.
Yes.
Yeah, just an observation.
Yes.
You see, we are practicing a very dangerous precedent. Councillors are councillors, honorable members are honorable members. An honorable member is a minister or someone who serves at the National Assembly. What is dangerous is our kids go to school and they are taught civics and they are told that your representative at the ward level is called a councillor. Now, if we turn out that these councillors are called honorable, where does it leave our kids? I think we have to stop using wrong nomenclatures. Honorable member is not more important than a councillor. The councillors are important because they are the ones on the grassroots that deals with grassroots politics and are closer to the communities. So I think it doesn't look well, and it's becoming a very normal practice whereby councillors are now called honorables. No, they are not. And you see official documents from government and everybody circulating and councillors being addressed as honorable. No, they are not. I hope we desist from this practice henceforth. A councillor is a councillor. An honorable member is somebody at the assembly or at or a minister. Then we could start calling anybody Your Excellency. You know, Your Excellency for the president and the vice president and ambassadors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. May we please have that exhibit? Now, who signed this letter? As in,
All the undersigned councillors.
Yes, but I mean the letter itself.
Yes.
Who signed it? Who prepared the document?
We prepared it together.
Together, but someone signed the document.
Yes, let me see the signature, please. I didn't look at that.
That seems to be your signature.
Let me see.
Is that your signature?
No, council, this is not my signature.
Whose signature is that? Anyways, let me just have it.
This one, I don't know.
But you accept, all of you prepared this document?
Yes.
Let me have
I
it,
remember fully.
the exhibit.
It's on my signature.
Now, with the permission of the chairperson, I will read the letter that is addressed to the clerk of the council, correct, sir?
Yes.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
It says declaration of intent. It was prepared on the 13th of July 2020. It says, we, the undersigned councillors of Brikama Area Council, hereby jointly make a statement to officially declare our position with regards to the circumstances surrounding the chairmanship of Brikama Area Council. With reference to the expulsion of Mr. Shirifo Sonko from the United Democratic Party, the undersigned councillors of Brikama Area Council wish to acknowledge the expulsion of Shirifo Sonko from UDP. Therefore, we unanimously stand to uphold and observe the Local Government Amendment Act 2015 and its due application. The undersigned councillors hereby given this notice to dissociate or abstain from any general council activity involving Shirifo Sonko. By law, as stipulated in the Local Government Act, we swore to uphold. Shirifo Sonko is illegally occupying an office of chairmanship in Brikama Area Council. So being the case, we, the undersigned councillors, have decided to abstain ourselves from any activities organized by him. In the light of this circumstance, we, the undersigned councillors of Brikama Area Council, would not have any meeting with Shirifo Sonko until the Lord takes its course. In the service of our people, we thank you all, and attached herein are the names of undersigned councillors. Now you have copied the media, correct?
Yes.
I don't know who is the media. You cannot copy the media. No, there's no office called the media. I'm sure you must have copied some media institutions. For example, well, I don't want to call names, but I'm just saying you must have had specific companies or media outlets that you have copied, correct? Correct, sir?
Correct.
The governor of West Coast Radio?
Correct.
West Coast Region, sorry?
Correct.
Ministry of Local Government, Lands and Integration,
Correct.
and Brikama Area Council on the file. And the names, the individuals that signed, Lamin Sanyang, Councilor Lamin Sanyang, Sukuta Ward, I will not refer to him as Honorable. Bakari, is it Bakari Bari?
Banse Bari. Banse.
Banset Bari.
Yes.
Alu K. Dabo of Kemboje. Banset Bari is from?
It's from Brufut.
It's nominated from Brufut.
A nominated councillor.
Yes.
Yes.
Lamin Sanyang from Sukuta.
Yes.
Bala Musa Dabo from, is it?
Kafuta.
Kafuta?
Yeah.
Ismaila Jallow from Suba.
Yes.
Mamadou C. Jiba Gunjur Ward.
Yes.
Omar Dabo for
Brikama.
former rep,
Farmers rep.
farmers rep.
Yeah.
Lamin Diba, Pirang Ward, Usman Ba, Jibor, correct?
Giboro, yeah.
Bubakar M. Kinte, Katong. Kante, sorry, Katong.
Yes.
Suleiman Kinte, Brufut.
Correct.
Mbemba Toure, Lamin Ward.
Correct.
Is it Ablai Bangura?
Kamara. Ablai Kamara. Habib Bangura. Habib Bangura.
Abi Bangura.
Banjulinding.
Banjulinding.
That's correct.
Sajo Sane, nominated member.
Yeah.
Ansu B.O. Nyas.
Nyambai ward.
Yes, Nyambai. Abdullahi Kamara, Bijulo ward. Now, 16 people signed this declaration of intent.
That's it.
Is that not the case?
That's correct.
And for how long did you stay without attending meetings or activities of council as while Sherifa was the head?
For this document,
Yes.
it has gone up to 3 months.
3 months.
Yes, 3 months for this document.
Now we know you have not been sitting for so long. Why 3 months?
3 months. No,
Did
it's not
he cease to be the chairperson after 3 months?
Pardon?
Did Sherifa Sonko
Yes.
cease to be the chairman of BAC after 3 months?
To our own, understanding.
Mr.
Because-
Jallow, there is
Yes.
no understanding here.
Yes.
Just to deal with facts strictly.
Yes. Based on our letter, yes.
After 3 months, after July, August, September, October,
Yes.
was Sherifa still the chairman?
Yes.
November?
Yes.
December?
Yes.
Did you attend meetings in November?
Yes.
December?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because the bill was sponsored at the National Assembly, and they amend the clause or the statement that said, if you are removed from your party, you should lose your position.
Yes.
Yes.
You, together with these 16, 15 others,
Yes.
decided that you will abandon your duty as councillors because Sherifa Sonko was no longer a UDP member.
Yes, because it was written in the Local Government Act,
Which act?
and that was Local Government Act
Which act?
2002
2002.
Yes.
Which says,
Amendment Act. He said, if your party expel you,
yes,
and when expelling you, you are in a position of chairman,
Yes.
then you will forfeit your seat.
yes.
Yes.
Now, is that automatic?
No, that's not. It's supposed to be automatic.
How is it automatic?
It's supposed to be automatic. Once it is indicated in the act, it's supposed to be automatic.
Yes, but there's a process for it.
Yes.
Let's assume that is the law.
We did that.
What did you do?
I wrote to the IEC
Yes,
to tell them what happened,
yes.
but I did not get any response from them.
No, what you are to do is to decide if you feel that the chairperson is no longer qualified
Yes.
to be the chairperson. What you are supposed to do is to follow the law, but not to decide not that you will not attend meetings of council.
Okay.
The same chairperson you are calling incompetent, you were probably worse than him.
No.
Is that not the case? 16 of you.
No.
You said you swore to uphold the laws.
Council, you see, we were, abiding by the rules and the regulations.
What rules are you talking about?
About the Local Government Act. That is what
Which
we-
says,
I told you that. already.
refer us to the specific law which says that.
The law said if you are removed from your political party in the position of a chairman,
Yes.
then you should cease to be the chairman because
But show us the law. No one is denying that.
yes.
Show us the specific provision which says you as the vice can automatically tell all the other councillors not to attend meetings.
No, it's not me, the vice, who said not, who told them not to attend the meeting.
You were the most senior,
yes, I am the
senior
most
councillor
senior. We all
there.
sat unanimously and agreed.
You were the most senior councillor there.
That is correct.
You were the vice chairperson.
That is correct, Council.
So what are you talking about?
That's correct.
So what are you talking about? You are not the law. Are you the law?
I am not the law.
Exactly.
Yes.
So even if removal, why are you a lawyer to interpret the law?
No, I am not the lawyer.
So why would you not follow the process? Even the act talks about the removal of the chairperson in office. Is that not the case?
That is the case.
And there's a process to follow. You don't decide what the process is. You could have had a petition. You could have followed the due process. You refused to do that. You decided to stop attending meetings where you can serve the people better and discuss some real-time issues. Are you attending the meetings because of Sherifa Sonko?
You see, we were attending...
Do you attend meetings because of Sherifa
Yes.
Sonko?
Yes. No.
Who do you attend meetings for?
I attend meetings because of my people.
The people you serve.
Yes.
And the same people you serve, if you stay for so long without attending meetings, do you not betray them?
Yes, we will betray them. But well before this letter,
Yes.
before this issue, there
Yes.
are a series of days that months that we do not have meetings.
But whose fault? Tell me whose fault?
It's the fault of the whole council.
The
Chairman
what?
in particular, the CFO, chairman in particular.
Chairman in particular, how about you as the vice chair?
I do advise him, he refuse.
Where is the documentation? Don't tell
not write, I did
me
that
that you have advised the chairperson. You think we spare the chairperson? No one spares the chairperson here. When he comes to testify, we will discuss on the issues you raise.
Yes.
Do you understand that? Everyone is treated equally, but in your capacity as the vice chair, where do you have a correspondence that you have written to the chairperson regarding not calling for meetings?
No.
Do you have that?
No.
Do you table any motion for his removal because he's no longer a UDP member? You did not.
No.
You decided to abstain from meetings. It's a disappointment, Mr. Jallow. Is it Mr. What's your last name?
Jallow.
Jallow, it's a disappointment. You decided to abstain from meetings instead of following due process. Let's assume that he is no longer a qualified person according to the law. Table a motion, follow the due process. Is that not the case? You politicized the council. You, Mr. Jallow, you politicized the council. This is a political.
We did not.
You did?
He did that. We did not.
Who did that?
Chairman Sirifo Sonko.
No, that's not true.
He disintegrated us
No, that's not true.
in council. That's correct.
That's not true. Tell me
That's correct.
what the chairperson did that caused the disintegration, that really warrants you to write this declaration of intent.
So for this one, he was dismissed.
Tell us the reasons why you think he is not competent. Name the reasons. Or is it because you don't like his face?
No.
So what is it now? You have the opportunity. Tell us what obtained on the ground, the things that he had done. You will have it on record. When he testifies, you will take him on those things as well. Let's start. Number one.
The council, I told you many a time.
Let's start with the issue. First, he did X, Y, Z. Second, this is what he did. Third, so on and so forth. We have it on record. We take him on those issues.
Yes, it's just that we don't write. We did not write. That's the problem.
Because you don't have interest to write, because they don't exist. Because including himself, including the chairperson, all of you don't have interest of the country at heart. You only serve your political masters. Everybody included. That's the hard fact.
No, council. If the head of the institution disintegrated, his subordinates.
Give us evidence of that. Tell us circumstances that this integration happened. Tell us. The commissioners, they want to know.
Council, we were not treated fairly.
Give us an example.
Council, many a time I make requests to the council for my word. Honest to God, I'm under oath.
Why?
If Osongo will tell me, you will not have it because you are UDP. This is a fact.
Now give us an example. Give us the copy and we take him on that.
Sometime I wanted to do a road rehabilitation in Jeddah. I wrote a request to the council. Sirifo Sonko refused to.
Mr. Jallow, where are these requests?
Pardon?
Where is the request?
The request is there.
There, where?
I have the copy.
Mr. Jallow, do you have the copy of this request?
Yes.
Can you provide them?
I will.
Did you have a reply?
I will provide them.
Did you have a reply that it cannot be granted because you are UDP?
No, he just tell me verbally. I didn't get any reply.
And what did you do?
What did I do?
Yes,
I didn't do anything.
You see?
Sit down.
You see? Now, how will anyone believe what you are saying?
It will be hard because, it is not written.
Exactly. How will anyone know? In fact, it's not about it being written. You didn't even come back to council and raise this issue, did you? Did you?
No.
Exactly. So how will anyone believe that? So you can now go through any corner or any environment or any discussion and say what you are saying. But this is an evidence gathering institution.
Okay.
So what you are saying has no merit. The same way if he says that he has been denied so and so because he belongs to another party without evidence? Where is the evidence? You neither had a response officially to that effect, nor did you raise this issue in your council meetings. And you want people to believe you? Is that how it works?
It will be hard.
It's impossible. No sane person will take what you are saying to be meritorious. It's not. That's not how it works. Mr. Jallow, I don't want to say I'm disappointed, but Mr. Jallow, you know, if you have gone to this level to decide not to attend meetings, if you believe you have had genuine grounds, you would have stated that in these meetings. Is that not the case?
That is the case.
Now, I am not saying you have not been discriminated. No, I'm not saying that. For whatever reason, I'm saying what obtained in council, all of you people, no exception, is you put political interest first above the interest of the people. Is that not a fact?
No, this one I will deny, council.
You have to deny it.
Because all what happened, I'll go back to my people and tell them.
Yes.
Because I'm answerable to them.
Yes.
They are the one who reports they are confident in me into that
Jallow,
office.
you do not even attend meetings of your committees.
One thing I understand about that, council is,
yes,
I made a mistake of not signing, but let me tell you,
that's not
I
true.
attend many meetings.
That's not true, Mr. Jallow.
Yes.
You know why it's not true?
Yes.
I have the development file here where you have attended some meetings and you have signed.
Yes.
Yes. So you knew at the time that when you attend meetings, you will sign.
Sometimes,
as the vice chairman.
Sometimes I sign.
No, you knew that you must sign minutes of meetings. Is that not true?
No, that's true. Sometimes the secretary that writes.
That's not my question.
The secretary that writes
That's
the name
not
of the
my
people.
question.
Yes.
If you attend a meeting, anyone, if the attendance list is 10 people, they must all sign the minutes.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So where you don't sign, in the case you are not present, you were absent.
Of course, I am present.
You haven't been performing your job.
Okay.
You have not been performing your job. Mr. Jallow, let's be fair, let's be honest to each other. You have not been more effective than Sirifo Sonko. None of you at the council level is better than the other. In fact, well, let me not say none of you, but 90% of you people who are serving yourselves and your interest. The finance committee, are you aware of all the financial malpractices that were happening at the area council?
I'm not aware of all.
You are not aware because you are not functional. You are not competent enough to do your job. That is the issue. Do you know revenue collectors were not declaring all the monies that they collect as a way of revenue from the same people that you serve?
Yes.
You knew that, and yet still you failed to attend meetings of the finance committee.
I do attend meetings.
The file didn't say that.
Council, I do attend. It's just that I don't sign, but I do.
No, the file didn't say that. The file says you did not attend the meetings.
Yes, that's what the file said.
Exactly.
That's correct, yes.
The file didn't say that you were attending meetings. It says otherwise. One of the very most important committees, the finance committee, you failed to attend meetings. You are not present. The audit reports that have been prepared, were you privy to these audit reports? Do you have access to these reports?
I did, because the internal auditor Suleiman Bari prepared.
Let me give you one of the internal audit reports.
Yes.
Any of the internal audit reports. Let me see what you have done as vice chair and as a member of the committee. Yes, which audit report is that?
Internal audit report.
Which period?
27 December 2023.
Have you seen that before?
No, I have not seen this before.
You see? Why haven't you not seen that before?
But I told you already, council.
What?
I was at the council just like a puppet. I told you.
Because you wanted to be a puppet.
No, council. I told you this well before I, we started everything. I
But
told
you wanted to be a puppet.
I was neglected by Chairman Simpo Sonko.
No,
I
attending the
was
finance
never
committee has
in the
to do with that.
No.
I disagree. Mr. Jallow, what has that to do with you attending the finance committee, subcommittee meetings? What has that to do with that?
I haven't attended that one.
No, we don't see your name.
I don't sign.
Your name is not there.
You know, this secretary will write names because at the end of the meeting, these people will be having their transport allowances. If your name does not reflect, you don't have it.
No, Mr.
So me, I don't take transport, you know.
Mr. Jallow,
yes.
Let's go to the facts. I like discussing facts, not imaginary things that we cannot prove.
But I don't attend all the meetings. But
You don't attend most of the meetings.
I attended many meetings.
You don't attend most of the meetings. That's the hard fact.
That's it.
Is that not true? What have you done with that audit report? Today is the first day you have seen the audit report?
Yes,
You
that's
see?
correct.
How do you justify your role as the vice chairman of the Brikama Area Council?
But if I am not informed, I may not know.
The law says there should be periodical reports. You go and read the Finance and Audit Act 2004. It tells you that there should be quarterly reports.
These people have never reported.
But request for it.
Even the chairman has never reported.
But request for it. Have the issue brought up in meetings. Discuss it. That's why you are paid allowances. Is that not the case?
That is it.
So why did you not do that?
There's a lesson.
It's a lesson for. So before you throw stones at someone, you do a self-reflection, Mr. Jallow. Okay. That's the most important thing. You're busy trying to remove the speck from someone's eye. Look at your own very eyes, your own very eyes, and see whether you are more competent than the chairperson. Were you more competent than the chairperson? You were not, based on the records. Do you agree with that? You, the chairperson, should have been removed, all of you. Do you agree with that?
No.
Why?
He was not the one who put us in that office.
Were you the one who put him in office?
Yes, it's the electorate.
Is he not an electorate?
Pardon?
Is he not an electorate?
He is.
Did he not vote like you?
He was voted by the people.
All of you were voted.
That's correct.
In office.
Yes.
And if you were not competent enough, you can attend meetings, you can even raise substantial issues in council, you don't even request for other reports, you don't care about the people, Mr. Jallow.
Council, I do care about my people.
Did you request for these other reports to know the state of affairs of the...
We have been requesting...
You, Mr. Jallow, I'm very much particular about you, Mr. Jallow.
Audit report over and over.
No, I am concerned about Mr. Jallow.
I am never opportune to get one.
Did you request for it?
I did.
Where?
Many a time.
No, Mr. Jallow, you already said no. You see, don't do that to yourself. You've already said you never raised the issue in the meetings.
You understand?
You've already said that you don't raise this issue in the meetings. If you now want to change that, we will ask you to provide the minutes of the meetings. Are you prepared to provide minutes of meetings that you have raised this issue? Have you?
No.
Yes.
Not at the meeting.
Yes. I'm concerned about the meetings.
I mean,
we are concerned about official transactions. You went and signed this intent. That's why I said it's purely on political grounds. You went and signed this intent. You called the chairperson incompetent. But Mr. Jallow, what we have seen from the records, you are as incompetent as the chairperson. And most of the councillors. I don't want to use all because I believe there probably will be somebody who may have been better. But for what you have done, for Brikama Area Council, you should not be proud. Do you know that? You shouldn't be proud. Is that not the case?
that is the case.
Yes. Any questions?
Yes.
Madam Chairperson.
Mr. Jallow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I believe that the issues that Brikama Area Council has been grappling with most of it could have been averted if you have told the commission that you used to attend the meetings but you don't sign.
Yes.
But don't you think it should have been prudent on your side to register some of the issues that you were protesting?
Yes.
Make sure they are captured in the minutes of those meetings, even if you don't want to collect the allowances that have been paid.
Yes.
Was that not a right approach that you should have
That's
adopted?
the right approach, ma.
Right?
Yes.
And do you think it was right
No,
to
no,
have
that was not right.
Yes, to have made this declaration, knowing fully well that this would have allowed you to have confrontation with each other, which will not be helpful at the end of the day to the ordinary person that needs Brikama market to be cleaned. That you having to insist on the revenue that they collect for you to know how much it is and what the CEO and the Director of Finance is expending that money on. Don't you know it should have been your business to make sure that you follow that money, where it is going and what is expended on, despite all the political issues that are happening beside?
That's correct, ma.
Right?
I should have done that.
Yes.
Yes, but it's a lesson. I will try to avoid that next time. Any meeting I attend, I'm going to sign. And anything I have to do, I'm going to write formally and keep the copy. It's a lesson. I agree.
Now for the chairman.
Yes.
Would it be correct to say that the finances and the necessary reports, to the best of your knowledge, were not being tabled?
Yes.
At most of these meetings? Is that correct? Is that a fair statement to make?
That's correct.
And for the Director of Finance and the CEO, in the absence of the chairman, were they not supposed to be reporting to you?
That's correct. They are supposed to be reported to me.
And where they failed to report to you,
Yes.
was it not your responsibility to write to them and ask why they are not reporting to you, even though you have an issue with the person sitting on the chair?
That was my responsibility, ma, to do that, but I was not doing it.
Yes.
That's true.
And do you think it was healthy to have camps within the same council that have 28 wards that you need to take care of? Was it right?
That was
to
very
have
wrong. That was
to
very
have
wrong.
camps?
That was very wrong, ma.
Council, can we proceed, please?
Jallow, just lastly, we just want to draw your attention to the minutes of meetings of council.
Okay.
The minutes of meetings of council. It appears as if, for the most part, let's say 2022, you didn't attend any meetings. Did you?
2022. Where I attended any meeting?
Yes, General Council meeting.
General Council. Yes.
How many?
I couldn't remember.
Just few?
Yes.
Yes.
Because we were not doing, meetings frequently.
Come
like
again?
it's supposed to be.
Come again?
At least once in a month. We were not doing that.
Yes, but for you,
Yes, I've been
you
attending
yourself, there were several meetings that you did not attend.
Yes. Who,
Yes,
me?
several. Yes,
Council sitting?
yes.
No.
General Council's meeting. You were
General
not.
Council sitting.
Yes,
If not all,
that's not
I have
possible.
attended most General Council sitting.
That's not possible. That's not possible.
Why?
There are so many that you did not attend, Mr.
No,
Jallow.
Council, unless I see it. No.
Unless if you see it.
Yes.
Now let me show you.
No.
Now, who was the clerk in 2022?
Lamin Singate.
Lamin Singate.
Yes.
Anyways, I will sort this out and then give you the relevant minutes separately.
Okay, thank you.
Right. If there are no questions for the witness, we are done with him for today.
Any questions? Mr. Jallow,
Yes, ma.
we have requested that you provide us with documents by Thursday.
Okay, ma.
So by Thursday, he would have been ready to sort out the file and further ask you questions on the General Council meetings.
Okay, ma.
All right.
Are you a member of the Contracts Committee?
I have never attended contract committee's meeting. I'm not.
You're not a member?
Yes.
You're not at all?
No.
Right. And how many committees did you list
Pardon?
in your statement?
Uh-huh.
How many committees in your statement?
Yes, I said all the committees. I should have exempted contract committee, because contract committee is the CEO, and two councillors. Only two councillors are in contract
Yes,
committee.
yes. So you
And,
said all the
and
subcommittees.
the procurement man, yes.
But you're now saying that you are not a member of the Contracts Committee.
Yes.
Okay. We will confirm that with the
Okay,
CEO.
okay.
Right. Thank you.
Welcome.
In the statement, you have listed the second to last line. You said after Social and Political Committee, you have the Contracts Committee.
Yes.
So you said it's a mistake, right?
Yeah, no, they just, asked me, the number of committees in the council. But they did not ask me the number of committees which you are in the councils.
No.
No. You said in the first line
Yes.
of the second paragraph,
Okay.
you said, I serve as ex officio member in all the subcommittees of council.
Yes.
And you listed them. If you look at it, the second paragraph of the first page, go to the first page, the second paragraph, the
Yes,
first line.
Yes.
You can clearly see that you said, I served as ex officio member in all the subcommittees of council, and you listed all of them.
Okay. Then there was a mistake I've made. I admit it.
So we will see you, you are discharged.
Thank you.
We will see you on Thursday.
On Thursday. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Mr. Bojan, can you call in? Yes, can you call in the next witness? Yes. Huh? I have